doing for the month of January is alterations, okay? And that date for this sew-in will be January 16th, okay? So what we're gonna do, and I've got some things laid out here on the table that I'm gonna be working on. So you decide what you're gonna be working on and you can come join me on that date. So I have this little jacket here that I have never worn, but I like the quilting part of it on my jacket. So I went to the thrift store and I found this jacket. And what I plan to do is to transfer all of my quilting that I did, because I don't want to waste anything, and I'm going to put it on my jacket. Now, how I'm going to do that, I haven't decided just yet. But I also found, while I was there, some jeans that fit me. So now the fashion forward for fashions now is the wider leg jeans. The skinny jeans are going out and the wide leg jeans is coming in. So I found these at the thrift store and they fit me pretty good, but they were too long. So what I did is I cut them off. This is what I had to cut off so that they would fit me. And this is my hem, and you can take a closer look at that here. And if you want to know how to do this, we can do that. So if you have something that you need to bring in that you want to fix or alter that relates to alterations, bring it in January 16th at 3 or 5 o'clock. You have to sign up. So make sure you sign in so that we can know how many people are going to be coming. So if you have something you need to take in or let out or a project you need to finish, then you need to come and join me on January 16th for our next sew-in. And the topic for this particular sew-in is alterations. So if you got something to take in or let out, then you need to be here. Bring a friend. Hope to see you there.